Alright boys, today we're going to be exposing the sweaty TTV stretch resolution soccer skins. Now, I don't want to do this, but we're going to have to become one with the soccer skin sweats. So I heard a rumor, I don't know if it's true, but if you use code CONC in the item shop, you won't get any TTV sweats in your game. What is this? Okay, where's the soccer skins? What's up, defaults? Default dance. Hey, get the chest, default. What's up, bro? Hey. Oh, I did not know you have a gun. I apologize, default. Please, take all the loot. You can have it. Alright, default, I'm sorry, I have to...
Why you bullying me?
Yo, what's up, bro? Oh my. Sorry, bro, I gotta overbuild. I'm a TTV sweat, my bad, bro. Even though you're in the 1x1 up there, I gotta sit up here and overbuild, you know? It's just what TTV sweats do. My bad. Okay, this kid is actually down here screwing. Yo, what's up, bro? Are you a soccer skin? No, you're not. I go to make this video and I find no soccer skins, but every time I play, I see a bunch of soccer skins. Bro, you in here? Yo, how you doing, bro? What's up? You're not a default. I thought you were a default. Okay. Edits? Hello? Oh, no, that's not okay, bro. What's up, bro? Hola, I got aim assist. Hello? What's up? You aim assist. Bro, no healing. What you doing, bro? Oh my gosh. Bro, where's the soccer skins? What happened to... Oh, you got a problem? Edit. What's up? Okay, bro, can you chill? Where did this kid go? Hey, bro, how you doing? Just come out so I can one pump you, please, so I can go find... Okay, nice there. Oh, you lucky. Bro, what are you... Is this man's staircases flipped? Bro, I got aim assist, though. Don't do that, bro. Where you gonna go? You got no staircases? Watch this. Okay, don't place. It's fine. Okay, and I'm frozen. Okay, great game. Alright, I have 5 kills until today. I didn't find one soccer skin. Something ain't right. The rest of this video, after this game, I'm gonna ready up with a mouse so I get in PC lobbies, because that's where they all live. Oh no, this soccer... Bro, where are you building? My guy, what are you doing? You good? What the... Bro, don't drink and play Fortnite, alright? This is what you'll be doing. Where did he go? Did he just, like, fall under the map? I'm so confused. Hola? Bro, 14 people, second circle, and we get a polar peak, dude. How's the guy here? Hello? I think it's a default. I think we have a wild default. Oh, hey, bro. Okay, this kid's ballooning. This is definitely a real default. Where did he go?
What's up, bitch?
Oh, yo, why were you using balloons in that spot, bro? Come on, what you doing? Nice. How fast can you replace it?
Try me, bitch.
Yo. Nah. Bro, I'm gonna let you live. You're really dedicated to winning. I'm gonna let you live, okay? We're not messing with that default, bro. Bro, the storm's coming. Let's go, default. Oh, he's fighting. Or is he fighting himself? You got this, default. I believe in you. Alright, I don't know who just won. Anybody here? Oh! Hey, chill. What's up, bro? Be careful. He's wild. This kid's gonna RPG me. Oh, pro builder. I knew it. Why did I just do that? Oh my god, and then he shot me. Do not mess with the very pro players. Oh, he's building up, but now he's dead.
Nope.
Nice play. For once, I want soccer skins in my game. When I want them, they don't come out. But every other time, they're in my game sweating. Oh my god. I don't have mad. Oh my gosh. What? Hey, great lobby right there. Going to PC lobbies now, so we can find all the TTV soccer skins. So, oh, it's a default, and okay, what? Oh, soccer skin, let's go. What's up? Oh, this is a true soccer skin. Whoa, what? Yo, what you doing, bro? Okay, hit. Alpha cranks 90. You don't crank looking the other way to shoot the person. That doesn't make sense. Better not be the soccer skin here, bro. It's a soccer skin. Oh, what's up, buddy? What's up? A little default dance. Alright, we at least found one. What's up, bro? How you doing? Why are you pickaxing? Bro, did you not get a gun from down there? No, listen, it's okay. Here, I'll give you a gun. No, come here. No, bro, come here. You want a gun? What's up? How you doing? This is the trust test.
Whoa, what the hell?
Okay, buddy. You sus? Oh, nice. Don't need it. Here. I'll be nice too, okay? There you go. Oh, wait, catch. Hey.
I'm joking.
What's wrong? What? I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, okay? I feel bad. I can't kill him. Look at him.
Enemy spotted.
Hey, later, buddy. Oh, no, bro, he's gonna think we're teaming. I gotta kill you. I'm sorry, bro. I can't get banned for teaming. Oh, I'm not trying to get banned, bro. I need to keep my soccer skin. I'm dropping the 3 minutes to go for an alpha. This is not gonna work. Oh, Turn direct kill. Oh, aim assist. I shot. I know. What's up? What's up, default? Default dance? Hey. Oh, did we just sync that? Okay. I looked away from my screen when I clicked the default dance, and we synced it. Yo, what's up, bro? How you doing? My bad. Just got a third party real quick. Can I hit your head? Oh, okay. Can we not do this? You know, it's not $1 million tournament. We don't got to box up, you know? Open my door. Thank you. Alright, watch this. Ready? Goodbye. God, what are you doing? Oh, no. Bro, I want to knock someone off. Oh, no. We're good. Okay, why are you jumping down? You want to get... Bro, I can't. Hey, it wouldn't let me fall on nothing. I want to hit this kid off. Oh, you're dumb. You walked into it. 95. Let me kill you. Of course you have shield. Don't walk on me. Bro, stop. Is this what PC players do? They play like it's $1 million tournament every game? Bro, there's people like this on console, but not as many as here. Like, bro, all that 1x1 camping, and you get one pumped.
Are you fucking dumb, little boy?
Listen, hey, if you're watching this video, stop 1x1 camping, okay? You're not playing $1 million tournament, bro. Have fun. Stop sweating. Alright, boys, so, I think we found, like, 3 defaults, 4 defaults, 5 max defaults.
Every time I load up in the lobby, I got defaults on my mind.
They all went in hibernation. They don't want me to expose their stats. I'm even on PC lobbies right now. Oh, run. Oh my god, I suck at this game. No. Why are you there? Stream sniper. Now you're gonna build up. My inventory's messed up, please. Oh. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, I don't have mats? Okay, he's the worst player in the game and somehow lasered me in the storm. Okay. Hello? Soccer skin, you good? This game is balanced. There's a chest up here, buddy. Come get the chest. Bro, what are you doing? Come up here and walk through the door, please. Thank you. Oh, he hit that! My man's insane. Hey, buddy. GG, man. Boom. Oh, no, soccer skin. Oh, my God. Look around, warrior. How did you just... What are you doing?